आओ बच्चों सीखे आज जो व्यंजन आए क्ष के बाद। सोचो सोचो सोचो। व्यंजन त्र। व्यंजन त्र। Children, so far you have learned Vyanjan Ka to Ksha. And today we are going to learn Vyanjan Tra. See, this is the last line of Vyanjan Ka to Gya. Sh, Sa, Ha, Kshatra, Gya. Today we will learn Vyanjan Tra. Tra se Trikon, Tra se Tribhuj, Tra se Trishul, Tra se Tripura. This is a hilly region situated at northeast of India. Tra se Tridev. Tridev means Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. Now let's learn how to write Vyanjan Tra on 3 lines. First, you have to make a standing line. Then, from this middle point, make a little curve and then slanting line. See, your Tra is ready. Now, you have to give one slipping line. I will show you one more time. Standing line, from the middle point, little curve and slanting line and slipping line. Tra is ready. Now see one more time. Standing line, little curve and slanting line and slipping line. Again, standing line, little curve, slanting line and slipping line. Children, you have to write Tra this way. Okay? This is Tra se Trishul. Do you want to learn how to draw Trishul? Now teacher will show you how to draw Trishul. Start with a slanting line. Then one more slanting line. Now join these 2 lines by 2 more slanting lines. Now you have to make one more line and then go outward. Again one more curve and go outward. Now you have to make one more line and from here also one more line. Wow, see the Trishul shape is ready. Now 2 standing lines down. Let's play a shadow game. For this shadow game, you will need just a triangle, torch and a pen. Children, do you see a triangle? Yes, this is Trikon. This is Tribhuj. You can see a shadow of Trikon and Tribhuj.